So when you're ready, you can stand up. We'll go over to the sink and you're going to step up on that double wide now. Perfect. So instead of going that way, go from the side.
Way?
Yeah,
Okay.
so you can touch the counter while you're getting on there.
Okay.
There you
Now
go.
this'll be-
Now I'm going to have you turn and face the counter.
Okay.
And all you're going to do for me, keep your hands on the counter.
Okay.
You're just going to do a little march. You're going to pick up one foot, put it down, you're going to march. And now what you're going to do is, I want you to move a little bit kind of right and left, so you're never putting the foot down in the same spot.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Oh.
Yeah. She does. I mean, she came out of surgery doing amazing. So move a little to the left.
Okay.
There you go. And then move a little to the right. Perfect. We'll do about 20 more seconds just like this.
Okay.
What does it feel like?
It feels good.
Good.
Yeah.
That's it. 10 more seconds. It's like you're smashing, what is that Lucille Ball where she's smashing the grapes to make wine?
She was smashing the grapes.
Okay, and then hold onto the counter, step off onto the ground for me, and go right back to the chair, take a break.
Okay.